It's Wednesday, the 21st of February, 2024. Welcome to the 73rd edition of the Ouria newsletter series, where we take a look at the effect of climate change on water security in Africa. Opening purview. Water security is a crucial issue in Africa, where water scarcity and the effects of climate change pose significant challenges to both human well-being and economic development. One of the key impacts of water security on agriculture in Africa is the reduction in crop yields and agricultural productivity. With limited access to water for irrigation, farmers struggle to grow enough food to meet the demands of the growing population. This not only affects food security but also hinders economic growth and exacerbates poverty in the region. Water security refers to the availability of sufficient water resources, both freshwater and saltwater, to meet basic human needs, support ecosystems, and ensure economic growth. In Africa, water security faces various challenges, including population growth, climate change, and insufficient infrastructure.
Impact of climate change on water security. Climate change is affecting water security in Africa in a variety of ways. One of the primary challenges is changes in rainfall patterns. As global temperatures rise, precipitation patterns are becoming increasingly erratic, leading to droughts in some regions and flooding in others. This variability can disrupt agricultural activities, causing food insecurity and poverty. Moreover, rising sea levels threaten to contaminate freshwater supplies with salt, making them unsuitable for drinking or irrigation. Additionally, climate change has led to a decline in the availability of glacier ice in the African highlands, which provide crucial freshwater sources for millions of people. The decline in glacier ice in the African highlands is significant because it threatens the availability of freshwater sources. These glaciers act as natural reservoirs, storing water during the wet seasons and releasing it slowly during the dry seasons. Without this steady supply of freshwater, communities that rely on these sources for drinking water, irrigation, and hydropower generation will face even greater challenges in meeting their basic needs and sustaining their livelihoods. The shrinking of glaciers due to warming temperatures has led to a decrease in river flows and an increased reliance on groundwater sources, which are often scarce and non-renewable. Furthermore, climate change is exacerbating existing water security threats. For example, droughts in the Sahel region of Africa have weakened the resilience of communities, making it more difficult for them to cope with floods and other water-related disasters. Similarly, climate change has increased the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, such as tropical storms and hurricanes, which can damage water infrastructure and disrupt water supply systems.
Solutions to tackle the effect of climate change on water security. To address these challenges, several recommendations can be derived from international best practices to tackle the effect of climate change on water security in Africa. One of the key solutions is the promotion of water conservation and efficiency measures. This includes implementing policies and regulations that promote efficient water use in agriculture, industry, and households. Additionally, investment in infrastructure such as desalination plants, rainwater harvesting systems, and wastewater management systems can help to optimize water usage and ensure sustainable management of water resources. Furthermore, enhancing cooperation among countries sharing transboundary water resources is crucial for managing water security challenges. The Nile Basin Cooperative Framework, for example, aims to enhance cooperation among riparian states for the sustainable management and development of the Nile River. Such cooperation can help address water-sharing conflicts and promote joint investment in water infrastructure. Lastly, the empowerment of local communities through capacity building and awareness raising is vital in addressing water security challenges. Local communities have valuable knowledge and skills regarding water resource management and adaptation strategies, which should be harnessed and integrated into decision-making processes.
Conclusion. Climate change poses significant challenges to water security in Africa. However, by implementing international best practice recommendations, such as water conservation, efficient infrastructure, and the empowerment of local communities, African countries can work towards improving water security and ensuring sustainable water resource management. It is crucial for governments, policymakers, and stakeholders to prioritize water security and implement comprehensive strategies to mitigate the effects of climate change on the water sector. Only by doing so can Africa achieve sustainable development and maintain the well-being of its people. If you would like to learn more, please contact us on any of the social media handles below. Quote of the week: "Water is the driving force of all nature, so preserve water to save nature." Leonardo da Vinci.